Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to talk about an organic insecticide that you can use on your lawn that's going to help kill ticks and mosquitoes if you're dealing with those, especially if you have children or pets. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so welcome back. The organic insecticide I want to talk to you about is made by EcoSmart. I don't know if any of you have used any of this, but I've used it in the past and it's done pretty good. We're starting to get some mosquitoes. It's been raining here and it's the end of July, 1st of August. So, you know, that humidity, the mosquitoes love that. And we've noticed a couple of ticks on our dogs. So I don't like to put a lot of chemicals in my yard because of my children and a lot of pets that I have. I try to keep as much organic as I can. So I'm going to talk to you about the EcoSmart insecticide. They use a lot of organic materials in this, okay? I'm just going to read a couple of them out to you. That way you kind of know what you're dealing with. So the first one is a phenylethyl propionate. All that is an alcohol. It has like a little rosy smell to it, and it smells pretty good. So I don't know if that's used to fend these ticks and mosquitoes off, but I like the smell. So the next one is sodium lauryl sulfate, and all that is surfactant. So a surfactant causes this to stick like glue to whatever it's sprayed on. That way the ticks and the mosquitoes, when they run across it, they'll stay on them, and that insecticide won't just wash into the soil, okay? And the next one is peppermint oil. You know, I've used that before on some vegetable gardens that I've had. I've sprayed that on there, and that keeps a lot of the insects away, especially mosquitoes. Rosemary oil, you have eugenol, which is a good smell to keep things away as well. Thyme oil and sesame oil, and it has other ingredients too. Those are more of the plant-based type ingredients that they use. So I think this is a pretty good product, and we're going to hook it up and spray it on. Okay guys, so pretty much all you do is, as you can see on here, it has an on and off. So right now it's off. And when I put the water through here, I'm just going to hook this up like this. And I'm going to leave it on off until I go turn the water on. And then all we're going to do is turn it to on, and it's going to start spraying. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, all we're going to do is turn the water on. Now we got the water on, now we're just going to do this. And all you do is spray it around your lawn. As you can see, I have another animal back there. And it does have a very nice smell to it. You can even put it on your trees if you wanted to, or your shrubs. And just shake it a little bit as you're emptying out. We got about half full right now, so. All right. So that's pretty much all of it. Yep, got a little bit left. I'm kind of spraying right now where I know my pet's gonna lie during the day and even at night. Okay guys. Yeah, that has a really nice smell to it. So that's pretty much it. Let me go turn the water off right quick. Okay. This will cover about 5,000 square feet. I sprayed a lot in this one area because this is, like I said, this is where a lot of my pets lay, my dogs. So made sure that this area was treated first. I have a few more bottles that I need to spray in the rest of the yard. So Just want to mention this product to you. Like I said, it's from EcoSmart. It's an organic insecticide for mosquito, ticks, and other things, okay? So you guys can check it out. I hope this helps you out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you, guys.